Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can check that whether the RAM type on our MacBook is DDR3 or DDR4. So let's see how we can check. So we will check it on the new macOS Big Sur update. So Big Sur update is live. If you want to install or update to Big Sur, kindly refer the link in the description. So we have logged into our Big Sur update. Now let us check whether the RAM is DDR3 or DDR4. It's very easy. You can straight away click on system information in the dock, or if you are not having it in the dock, click on the spotlight search here in type system information. Now guys, it is visible here. Double click. On double clicking you can see the first thing you can check it, the memory is 8 GB. Obviously you know that, but you want to check whether it's DDR3 or DDR4. So under hardware, left tabs, click on memory, double click. On double clicking you can see there are two memory slots, both 4 GB plus 4 GB, that is 8 GB, and the type is DDR3. If you want to check it again, you can check the type here, DDR3. So guys, in this video we saw how we can check the RAM type on our macOS after the Big Sur update. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.